How to not let phone contacts find you on a Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to not let phone contacts find you on a Snapchat. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat application on your device. Now tap profile icon at top left corner of the screen. Now from your profile feed, select the gear icon to access settings page. Scroll down. Now locate the option for Contact Syncing, which is under Account Actions. Tap on it to access that. Now, you can easily see all your contacts who have access to your Snapchat by tapping See Contacts Shared with the Snapchat. If you wish to not let phone contacts find you on Snapchat, tap Remove Sync Contacts from Snapchat option and tap the Confirm button. By selecting Confirm, you will delete all previously synced contacts. To stop showing contacts again with the Snapchat, you can go to Settings and disable the contact permission. Let's tap Confirm and head into the settings of our device. Select Apps. Tap App Management. Now tap the search bar and type in a Snapchat and find a Snapchat app. Open it. On the App Info section, select Permissions. Scroll down, tap Contacts under Allow and tap on Allow. During this process, your phone contacts won't find our Snapchat. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.